Good afternoon, guys. It is June 18th, 2022. In this video here, I want to talk to you about why you should vacuum slow. This is something that so many people don't pay attention to. They just think, oh, well, I'm picking stuff up. That's not going to get anything. Even this is not going to get anything. You have to go forward and then slowly pull back to remove as much soil as you can. Have to. This is the only way that you are guaranteed to get all of the dry soil out. The only way. There's no other way to do it. If you go too fast, you're not going to get everything out. Period. It's just the way it is. So, I'm going to demonstrate. This is one of the highest traffic areas in my house. Now, I've already gone over it a couple times, but it doesn't hurt because it gets walked on so much. But you're going to go forward and then pull back. You have to slow down, because if you don't slow down, it's not going to get anything up. So this is the only way that you're going to get it. So I'm going to show you. That is how you vacuum. If you want to get everything out of the carpet, not just what's on top, if you want to get everything out, you must go slow. There's no other way around it. Because if you don't slow down, it is not going to have time to pick it up. And I have tried it before. I've tested it with going faster, then I've tested it with going slower. Going slower always picks more up. Because you can go fast over an area, and then go over it again slow, and you're going to hear a lot of stuff coming up. I mean, I have tests to prove it, that that's the case. And people just don't understand that vacuuming takes time. And you don't have to do a whole lot because you're just letting the machine do the work. You're just pushing it across the floor. That's all you're doing. So it's really not hard. Just slow down, take a few extra minutes, let the machine get the stuff out, and that will make sure that your carpets stay cleaner and last longer. So anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.